Hey guys, Aaron Cochran here again. Again, if you're new to the team, welcome. If you've been with us for a while, welcome back. Um, I wanted to go over some places that we will advertise you as you guys are being part of our team. So, one of them that you guys get put is on our Google Local team. Google Local is a vetted group of advertisers that um, will pop up on Google when you see best, let's say we search realtors in my area and your photos will pop up locally at the top of the Google search by advertising this way. And we pay per lead that comes in with Google Local. Um, so that's just another way that we help advertise you and promote you as being part of our team. So this is our Google Local page here. It's no frills or thrills to it really, but it talks about what type of services that we advertise. Um, Buyer's agent, first time home buyer, foreclosures. We do not do foreclosures. I don't know what other would be, and we don't do property management. So, but new construction, luxury properties, first time home buyers, and buyer's agents. We are also sellers agents as well, and relocation specialists. So, just so you guys know where we're advertising. We've got budgets and such set. It will ring the office phone, but they'll be distributed to your geographical area. And then there are featured agents that will pop up under us. We have two pending right now, Amber Smith and Gian Chick. So those are being vetted for their licensing and all that type of stuff through Google. So if I was to go to google.com and I was type in realtors in Tullahoma, Tennessee, it will pop up a list of faces. And depending on the ranking and so on and so forth, and depends on where everybody's at and what everybody's doing, we'll pull up in this list here. So, yeah, if you have any questions, let us know. But this is just one additional way that we advertise you. But I want you to know where your face is going to start popping up. And hopefully it's everywhere. Thanks so much. Have a great week.